Aliens? Aliens, what would they want to eat? Hmm, hmm, I'm not sure. Can you tell me? Yeah, pizza. Because who wouldn't want to try Earth's best food first? Yeah, it was too funny. In every galaxy, the sun holds everything together, shining brightly and guiding with its warmth and light. At our school, we are fortunate to have a son of our own, whose vision is leadership, illuminate our path, and inspire us to reach for the stars. It's time to hear from a person who inspires us every day. The heart and soul of our institution, our own director principal, Dr. Mrs. Shruti Gupta Madam. Let's make some noise and welcome the cosmos of our school, the one who leads with wisdom and heart. With dedication and vision, she lights the way for us all. Let's put our hand together and give a big round of applause and join us in welcoming our director principal madam.
Himanshu Jain sir for being such a lovely guest. We should not call you a guest. You are very much a part of the family because the way with which you actually went ahead to speak to the children when they reached you, they were very comfortable. Thank you so much for being there. After being an IRS AS at that particular position, being so humble, I'm sure the children have lots to learn from you. Thank you so much for being here. And to our management, today our Vice Chairman sir is there, our very own Director Sushil sir is there. Their mindset is more like, मुझे एक कतरा ही दे, but इतनी नीयत दे कि किसी को मुसीबत में देखूं तो समंदर हो जाऊं. These kind of schools don't happen without these kind of management. You know, we are not just telling because they are our management, but more than 2 decades उनके साथ काम कर चुकी हूँ. And what I do understand is these legends are created only because there is a very, very strong background of the way the management stands with simple decisions that the principals take or the teachers take. So thank you so much, not just to our Vice Chairman sir and Sushil sir, and our own very own Suren sir, the Vice Chairman sir, but also to Akash ji, also to Ankit ji, also to Ankur ji, missing out on Ayush ji today, and their better halves, the first ladies of the whole system. And I'm sure this whole glitterati would remain together forever. So thank you so much for coming down over here. Thank you so much to all the colleague principals. We are now from 1 branch to 5 branches. Thank you so much for adorning the day. It's such a beautiful, wonderful moment to have you all hosted over here. Thank you so much. And of course, it's a lovely evening. And there are a few things that I would like to share with you, but very quickly I understand all your energy is basically directed towards your world inside. So just catching up and stealing away a few moments, because when we talk about achievements and when we talk about occasions like these, normally with K-12 schools with humanities, commerce and those degrees of achievements going on, normally these small kindergarten children are eclipsed, but we try to ensure that we don't eclipse them. So this was actually made, this event, because we wanted to do a very big project-based learning. What you are seeing here today is more of a project-based learning, art-integrated, CBSE-oriented, NEP-oriented work. Because when you witness any of these marriage functions or ladies sangeet going around, the kind of music that is happening is terrible. With that music, our children will actually not reach anything major. But what you see over here, the children dancing on planets, the children talking about planets, the children will soon talk about ISRO. They are going to talk about problem solving. They are going to talk about how to go ahead with stress management, anger management. You will soon see they are going to talk a lot about social messages they are going to give you. So this is nothing short of in itself a learning. Because when I see learning, learning is not always books. Learning is about how you and we give an ecosystem to the children. And when we talk about this ecosystem, nothing can be done basically without you all as partners. So that partnership of yours with the school is really important, and I look forward to each of you for that partnership and a conscious parenting each time you sit around with the children. So always ensure that you are reading books with your children and for your children. You are guiding them for a very good quality language. Because if a good quality language with good communication skills the child has, I think the child in this times of AI can be one of those win-win situation childs. So that is most important, is we really need to understand that how we need to work out on this. It is also very imperative to talk about a few children whose parents have already been doing wonders with the children. I would talk about the state level rankings in Abacus. State level rankings I'm talking about of Darshan Kaur Hora and Darshat Patel, grade 1 and 2. Padmakshi Acharya, Ayan Jha, state level karate competition. Samaira Obrani, class 1 Gamma, she is the chess champion. Shaurya Shresh 2 Beta, the gold medal of distinction at the state level. The list was a huge list, CBSE state skating championship, but those children were of grade 3 level, so I have just moved off. So what is most important for all of us to understand is, are we instilling discipline in our children? Are we instilling regularity in our children? But it shouldn't be that in that particular race of winning, we are leaving away with the basics. It's not just about winning, it's about each day how you and me are spending with the children. And I again talk about conscious parenting, which is so important at this point of time. It is highly imperative that we talk about it, and we talk about it so strongly. Today there was a PTM in my senior secondary school, and there was a child. I'm not going to, of course, take a name, but what I will tell you is very important, because this child was diagnosed with stammering. There was no problem of stammering with the child till grade 3. After that, for that matter, when they reached the doctor said due to games, mobile games, what is happening, the oxygen supply is reducing in the brain, and due to that, because what the child is only doing is watching the mobile and games, and due to that there is less saliva in the throat and the stammering has begun. I am letting you know today because it is important at this age you know about it, and if you are leaving your children with the mobile unattended, not really having an idea what the child is doing, I think you can be landing in trouble. So just as a well-wisher, it's my request that we should all be very mindful of what our children are watching and how they are watching. So it's that little request that I do have. कुछ ऐसा कद मुझे लगा कि कुछ बौना हो गया, बिकॉज ख्वाहिशें बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गई थी मेरी. सो व्हाट इज़ मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर यू ऑल एज अ पेरेंट इज़ अंडरस्टैंड कि आप अपने बच्चे को बॉन्जाई ना बना रहे हो. इतना ज़्यादा लेवल पे भी उसके साथ काम नहीं होना चाहिए कि वो कतरने काट काट के एक छोटा सा बौना पौधा रह जाए. सो अपनी ख्वाहिशों को भी आपको ठीक उसी प्रकार से रखना होगा जितना आपके बच्चे के माइंड का रेडीनेस है. सो एक उसको एक्सेप्ट करें वो जैसा है. सेकंड, उसको समय दें, उसको खाद पानी जैसा जो चीज़ जिस वक्त चाहिए वो हमें देना है. एंड व्हाट इज़ मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट इज़ अपनी ख्वाहिशों को उस पर लादें नहीं. Otherwise, you will see bonsais moving around with no fallback for the society. That doesn't really work. We don't wish to create ornamental kids. We wish to create winner kids. We wish to create leaders of tomorrow. We wish to create people who are going to make the country and the world proud. And that's why at grade 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 साल के बच्चों के साथ हम यूनिवर्स और कॉस्मोस और इसरो की बात कर रहे हैं. So it's just about ecosystem, fun way of learning. At the same time, it is something that can be great if at all you go ahead with making sure that you constantly take up these particular topics at home and talk to them sense, talk to them about something that is beautiful in this world. So I'm sure you are enjoying, and I'm sure you would love your children when they come down near you and to you. And thank you so much for being such a cooperative set of parents, and thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.